I'm Ken Hogrief from DuPont with our Artistri group. I'm one of the technical marketing specialists. I'm here at the DuPont labs. We're going to talk about DTG for a while today. Specifically in this video, we're going to talk about pre-treatment and the best way to pre-treat. There's a lot of information out there. Unfortunately, a lot of it's incorrect. We want to talk about best practices for getting the best quality whites, the best quality color on your shirts. Now, one of the really important pieces with pre-treatment is not just the pre-treatment, but it's taking care of your employees or yourself when you're using this equipment. We recommend highly that you use the correct personal protective equipment or PPE whenever you're using these types of chemicals. There's nothing inherently dangerous about them, but there are salts within pre-treat that can dry out your hands, cause some problems. Definitely want to make sure you don't get it in your eyes. So we recommend strongly that anybody who's doing pre-treatment wear protective gloves, regular nitrile gloves, that's what we use here in our labs, as well as protective goggles. That'll keep you from getting the pre-treatment on your hands, on your skin, and in your eyes. Very, very important.
Hi, how you doing? I'm Vince Sicantelli here with the DuPont Artistri. Today what we're going to go over is how to get the proper laydown of pre-treat for the shirt you're using. So what we're going to do today is we're going to use our scale, we're going to tear it out, we're going to place our shirt, we're also going to tear this out to get start weight. We'll take our shirt to our pre-treater. So we're going to set the shirt up, we're going to go through and pre-treat it. We also want to make sure that we have a nice spray and a good lay down. If not, we can have issues when printing arises. So we're going to take our shirt and fold it. We're going to take it back to our scale and get our actual weight of pre-treat. We want to 26 and 32 with our P5003. As you can see, we're right in that range, so now we are ready to print. Our machine is set up properly. Now that we have our machine properly calibrated towards our shirts and our laydown, what we want to go over now is the curing process. So we're going to pre-treat another shirt. And with this, we're going to take it over to our heat press, where we have it set at 330 degrees. We're going to use our silicone transfer sheet, and we're going to press it down for right around 20 seconds. Now, when you have a heavier cotton shirt, you want to use a little bit more pre-treat. If it's a lighter or ring spun cotton, you want to go on the lower end of pre-treat. This is something you'll have to optimize within your process. So as you can see, this is our P5003 pre-treat that has been specially formulated for our Artistri inks, which is non-staining. So what we're going to talk about now, we've already went over our pre-treat a shirt. What we're going to show you now is we have a shirt that's heavy pre-treat, a shirt with no pre-treat, and a shirt that's lightly pre-treated. We're going to explain why the pre-treat is very important for a very good white base and why it's important to optimize your equipment. So now that our shirt is completed printing, what we're going to go over again is the heavier pre-treat of shirt. As you can see, it stains the shirt. You're going to be left with a nice white, but when it comes to wash fastness, this is where you're going to have your concerns and your issues. The second set here is no pre-treat, and as you can see, this has pretty much went right into the shirt, and you have no base for your colors to come on top of. And our third section here is a very light pre-treated shirt, which is not the proper amount. So what you're going to get is a cross in between no pre-treat in some areas and some areas where you are going to have a decent base. Here, you're not going to have a quality print for sale.
Okay, so now we're going to do a properly pre-treated shirt. You can see that the area is not stained. You get a nice even application of pre-treat. We calibrated our system to about 26 grams of pre-treat on the shirt. So we're going to go ahead and print that and then take a look at what a properly pre-treated shirt looks like when we get it done. So here's our shirt coming out of the printer. We've got a nice white layer. It's even, it's smooth. It's going to really hold up that color ink nicely. We get a very bright, vibrant look off of this. The wash fastness is going to be excellent. We generally test to industry standards to all of our washing on here. So this type of pre-treat and this type of a white layer is going to give us great wash. It's going to give a great looking print.